Tan of x plus y can also be written as tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Tan of 15 degrees can also be written as tan 45 minus 30 tan a minus b formula. Cot of x plus y can also be written as cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Tan 75 can be written as sin 75 by cos 75 degrees. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the temple of excellence. In my previous class we have discussed regarding the derivation of very important formulae, that is an identity cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and similarly cos x minus y is equal to cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, and sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Now based on that, let us discuss few more identities as well as the formulas based on those concepts. Now let us come to the first one. So in the previous class we have discussed regarding the trigonometrical functions of sum and difference of two angles. So that is sin x plus y. We know sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, right? Similarly sin x minus y is equal to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y, and for cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y, and for cos x minus y cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. So these are the formulas, identities we have derived in the previous class. Now based on this, let us come to the tan and cot. Now if none of the angles x, y and x plus y are odd multiples of pi by 2, if none of the angles x, y and x plus y is an odd multiple of pi by 2, then this tan of x plus y can also be written as tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y, and similarly tan of x minus y can also be written as tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y. And if none of the angles x, y and x plus y is a multiple of pi here, if none of the angle x comma y and x plus y is a multiple of pi 180 degree, then cot of x plus y can also be written as cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Okay, see here, if x, y and x plus y is an odd multiple of pi by 2, then tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Similarly tan x minus y is equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x tan y, and none of the angles is a multiple of pi by 2, then cot x plus y is equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot x plus cot y or cot y plus cot x. Now suppose if you want to derive tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y, you can easily consider the value of tan x plus y as sin x plus y divided by cos x plus y. Using the formula and dividing both the numerator and denominator by cos x cos y, we will get this relation. Okay, let me explain how we are going to get tan x plus y is equal to. Now let us consider tan x plus y. Tan x plus y can be written as sin x plus y divided by cos x plus y. Now what is the formula for sin x plus y? Sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y. Let us divide both numerator term by term by cos x and cos y. If you divide term by cos x cos y, then this is equal to this cos y gets cancelled, sin by cos is tan x plus cos x gets cancelled, sin y by cos y is equal to tan y. We will get tan x plus tan y in the numerator divided by in the denominator cos x cos y gets cancelled, 1 minus sin x by cos x is tan x into sin by cos is nothing but tan y. So that is what the relation is. So tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x and tan y. That's it. Okay. Now, based on this, let us obtain the relation for multiple angles of x. So that is sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x, and similarly multiple angles of 3x, sin 3x, cos 3x, and tan 3x. Let us come to the first one to prove that sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, or that is also equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Now let us take this. First, we know that to prove sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, let us consider, we know that sin of x plus y, sin a plus b, sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, or sin x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now just replace y by x. Now put y is equal to x. So this equation becomes sin of x plus x is equal to sin x cos x plus cos x into, again this sin of y is replaced by x. So sin of x plus x is 2x. Sin 2x is equal to sin x cos x plus sin x cos x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So therefore sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. That is called the multiple angle of x. So similarly, if you want, we can also write in terms of a, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. This is very important formula indeed. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Hope you followed. Just replace y by x in sin of x plus y formula. You will get the answer. That's it. Now, let us come to the second part. What is the second part? That is also equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Now, let us come to the second part to prove that. Now, since we know that since sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Now, this can also be denoted as 2 sin x cos x divided by 1. So, this is 2 sin x cos x divided by, this 1 can also be written as, since 1 is also equal to sin square x plus cos square x. So that is an identity. 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x. Now let us divide term by term. So divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. If you divide term by term, 2 sin x, 1 cos and cos gets cancelled, 1 cos x in the denominator, whole divided by sin square x divided by cos square x plus cos square gets cancelled, that's equal to 1. Now you know the quotient relation, sin by cos is also equal to tan. Sin x divided by cos x is equal to tan x. So this can be written as 2 tan x divided by 1 plus sin square by cos square is equal to tan square x. That is the required answer. So 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So there are two formulas. Sin 2x is also equal to 2 sin x cos x, or sin 2x is also equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, very important. Similarly, let us come to the cos 2x. So multiple angle of x, that is 2x, cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, or that is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, or that is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, or that is also equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x, where x is not equal to n pi plus pi by 2, where n is an integer. Now let us take one by one. Let us come to the first part. Now to prove this, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Okay. Now let us take cos a plus b formula. We know that cos of x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y. Now put y is equal to x. If y is replaced by x, we will get cos of x plus x is equal to cos x into cos x minus sin x into sin x. So this is equal to cos of x plus x is 2x. Cos 2x is equal to cos x into cos x is cos square x minus sin x into sin x is sin square x. So therefore we can write cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. That is the first part. So here we know that cos x minus y, cos x plus y is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Put y is equal to x. Cos x plus x is equal to cos x minus sin x sin x. Cos x plus x is 2x. Cos of 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. That is the first part. Now let us come to the second part. Now since what is cos 2x? Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Just convert sin to cos, that's all. Now this can also be written as cos square x minus, we know sin square x is also equal to 1 minus cos square x. So this is equal to cos square x minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square x. Add it. Cos square x plus cos square x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos 2x is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Now let us come to the third part. So this is, we know that is part 3. Cos 2x is equal to, what is cos 2x? Cos square x minus sin square x. Now what is the answer? 1 minus 2. Just convert cos to sin, that's all. We know cos square x is also equal to 1 minus sin square x. This sin square x as it is, this is equal to 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. There are 2 sin square, 1 minus 2 sin square x. So in total we can write, therefore cos 2x can be written as cos square x minus sin square x, or that is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, or that is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. These are the 3 important formulas again. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x, or that is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, or that's also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Further, one more relation is there, that is also equal to 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, this is the third part. Now let us come to the third part. So since we know that first, second, third, fourth, so that is cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x divided by 1. So this can be written as cos square x minus sin square x divided by 1 can be written as cos square x plus sin square x. Now term by term divide by just cos square, term by term division by cos square. Cos square by cos square is 1 minus sin square by cos square is tan square x. Cos square by cos square is 1 plus sin square by cos square is tan square x. Cos 2x is also equal to 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. So in general, therefore for cos 2x we have the following relations. Cos 2x is also equal to cos square x minus sin square x, or this is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, or this is also equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, and the last one is cos 2x is also equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So these are the very important formulas for cos 2x. Okay. Now let us come to the next one, tan 2x. So to prove that tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square if 2x is not equal to n pi plus pi by 2, where n is an integer. Now for this also, let us come to the relation. We know that tan x plus y. What is tan x plus y? Tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y, right? So we know that tan x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Now just replace y by x, that's it. Put y is equal to x. What happens? Tan of x plus x is equal to tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x. So tan x plus tan x is 2 tan x in the numerator divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x is tan square x. So that's it. See here, tan of 2x. Tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. That's it. Very simple. See, we know that tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Put y is equal to x, tan of x plus x is equal to tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x. Tan 2x is equal to tan x plus tan x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x is tan square x. So, tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Hope you followed. Okay, very simple. Very easy. Just y is replaced by x. That's it. Okay. So, these are all multiple angles of 2x. Now, let us come to the few problems, that is multiple angles of 3x. So, these are called multiple angles of 2a and 3a, that is 2x and 3x. Now, very important. Now, in this, now we are going to find the relation for sin 3x, cos 3x and tan 3x. This is also very important. Now, let us come to the first problem. Prove that sin 3x is also equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Now, just convert all terms to sin, that's it. Now, let us take LHS. What is LHS? Sin of 3x. Sin 3x can also be written as sin 2x plus x. Now, this is of the form sin a plus b. Sin a plus b. What is a? 2x. What is b? X. So, we know this sin of a plus b or sin x plus y. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Using this formula, we can write sin of x is 2x sin a cos b cos x plus cos a cos 2x into sin x. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Followed? Now, just we know the formula for sin 2x from the previous. We got multiple angles of 2a. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. And cos 2x is also equal to cos 2x in terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Just substitute here. That's it. See, cos sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. This cos x as it is plus cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x into this sin x as it is. Now, this is equal to 2 sin x into cos x into cos x is cos square x plus multiply by sin x into 1 is sin x minus 2 sin square into sin is sin cube x. Okay. Now, convert this cos square to sines. We know that cos square x is also equal to 1 minus sin square x. Substitute here. So, this is 2 sin x into cos square is 1 minus sin square x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Now, simplify this. 2 sin x into 1 is 2 sin x minus 2 sin square into sin is 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube x. Now, simplify this. 2 sin x plus 1 sin x is 3 sin x minus 2 is minus 4 sin cube x. This is the required answer. This is your RHS. That's it. See, what is RHS? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Very simple problem. See here. Sin 3x can be written as sin 2x plus x, sin 2x plus x it is. So, sin a plus b. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin 2x can also be written as 2 sin x cos x. So, plus cos 2x is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Substitute here. 2 sin x cos x into cos x is cos square x. 1 minus 2 sin square into sin x multiply by sin x into 1 is sin x minus 2 sin square into sin x is sin cube x. Now, convert this cos square to sin. The intention is to convert all cos terms in terms of sin. That's it. So, cos square is 1 minus sin square. Multiply 2 sin x into 1 is 2 sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus sin x minus 2 sin cube. So, 2 sin x plus sin x is 3 sin x minus 2 is minus 4 sin cube x. So, therefore, sin 3x is also equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, that's it. Now, let us come to the next one. Similarly, prove that cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Now, let us take LHS, same type. LHS cos 3x. Cos 3x can be written as cos 2x plus x. Now this is of the form cos a plus b. Since what is cos a plus b? Cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So this is a and b. A is equal to 2x, b is equal to x. Listen, what is cos a plus b? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So this can be written as cos a cos 2x into cos x, cos a cos b minus sin a sin 2x into sin x. That's it. Now, so since the answer is in terms of cos, so this just keep this cos 2x as it is. There is one formula for cos 2x. Now we know that cos 2x in terms of cos is 2 cos square x minus 1. So this cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x as it is, minus, for sin 2x we can write 2 sin x into cos x into this sin x as it is. Now again this is 2 into cos square into cos is 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x as it is. This sin into sin is sin square x. Now convert sin square into cos. Sin square is also equal to 1 minus cos square x. Cos square into cos is 2 cos cube, cos x into 1 is cos x minus 2. This sin x into sin is sin square, cos x as it is, 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus, just convert this sin square to cos square, 2 cos x into sin square is 1 minus cos square x. Now multiply, this is same as it is, 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x into 1 is 2 cos x minus into minus plus 2 cos into cos square is 2 cos cube x. Now this can be written as 2 cos cube plus 2 cos cube is 4 cos cube x minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 cos x. So this is a required RHS. See here, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So that means cos 3x is also equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Very simple. Just cos 2x plus x is cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So cos 2x into cos x minus sin 2x into sin x. Cos 2x can also be written as 2 cos square x minus 1 into this is as it is. Sin 2x is 2 sin x, cos as it is, sin into sin is sin square. Convert this sin square to cos, that's it. The intention is to convert sin in terms of cos. So cos 2 cos cube minus cos x minus 2 cos x plus 3 2 cos cube x. 2 plus 2 is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, which is the required answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Now let us come to the next one. Let us take this problem. Prove that tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. What is LHS here? LHS is equal to tan 3x. Tan 3x can be written as tan 2x plus x. This is of the form tan a plus b. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now this is equal to, since we know the formula for tan 2x is also equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Substitute here, that's it. So this is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x whole divided by 1 minus tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x into tan x. Now take LCM and simplify, that's it. So that is equal to, what is LCM in the numerator? 1 minus tan square x into, just this is 2 tan x as it is, plus cross multiplied, plus tan x into 1 minus tan square x whole divided by, in the denominator 1 minus tan square x is the LCM, 1 minus tan square x is the LCM, cross multiply 1 minus tan square into 1 is 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan x into tan x is 2 tan square x. Cancel the terms which gets cancelled in the denominator and numerator. 1 minus tan square x gets cancelled. Just simplify this, 2 tan x plus tan x into 1 is tan x minus tan into tan square is tan cube x divided by, in the denominator we have 1 minus tan square minus 2 tan square is 3 tan square x. So this can be written as 2 tan x plus 1 tan x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. That's it. See? So this is the RHS 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x, which is the required RHS. That's it. Hope you followed. Very simple. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. Prove that 3 sin pi by 6 into secant pi by 3 minus 4 sin 5 pi by 6 into cot pi by 4 is equal to 1. Very simple problem. Just substitute the values of standard angles. That's it. Now what is LHS? Write down the LHS. 3 sin pi by 6 into secant pi by 3 minus 4 into sin of 5 pi by 6 into cot of pi by 4. Now suppose if you want, you can convert the radians into degrees, or as such you can substitute. Let me convert into degrees. 3 sin pi by 6, pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degrees, and whereas secant of pi by 6, pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees. 4 into, what is pi by 6? Pi by 6 is 30. 30 into 5 is 150. Sin of 150 degrees into cot of 45 degrees. Now just substitute the standard values. 3 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. And secant 60, since what is sin 60? Sin 60 root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Since cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 means secant of 60 is equal to 2. Secant 60 is equal to 2 minus 4 into sin 150 degrees can be written as sin of 150 is equal to sin 90 plus 60. So 90 plus theta comes in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, yes, sin is positive. Sin 90 plus theta is cos 60. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute here, this is 1 by 2 into cot 45 is 1. That's it. Simplify. This is 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 3 minus 2 2s gets cancelled. 2 into 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, which is the required RHS. That's it. So the required answer is 1. Just substitute the values of standard angles and use allied angles for this. 150 can be written as 90 plus 60. Sin 90 plus theta is cos theta. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. That's it. Suppose if the values are other than standard angles like 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Suppose if it is 15 degrees or 75 degrees, for this also we are going to use the relation of sin A plus B and sin A minus B, cos A plus B and cos A minus B. Now let us take such problems. Now find the values of sin 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees and tan 15 degrees. Let me take one by one. Let us come to the first one. First one is sin 15. This is very important indeed. Sin 15 degrees. Now 15 degrees can be written as 45 minus 30. What is 45 minus 30? 15 degrees. This is of the form sin A minus B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B sin 45 cos 30 minus cos A sin B cos 45 into sin 30 degrees. Just substitute the value. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 1 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this is root 3 divided by 2 root 2 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Take LCM. 2 root 2 is LCM. 2 root 2, 2 root 2 gets cancelled. This is 3 minus 1. So therefore, what do you say? Sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Very important formula indeed. Sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. Now similarly, take this cos 15 degrees. Similarly, let us come to the second one. Cos 15 degrees. Second one is cos 15. Cos 15 can be written as cos of 45 minus 30. 45 minus 30 is 15. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos 45, cos 30 plus sin 45, sin 30. What is cos 45? 1 by root 2. What is cos 30? Sin 30 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Take LCM, 2 root 2 is the LCM, 2 root 2, 2 root 2 gets cancelled. This is root 3 plus 1. So what do you say? Therefore, cos of 15 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That's it. Now find out the value of tan 15 degrees. Now tan 15, third one. Let us come to the third one. Tan of 15 degrees can also be written as tan 45 minus 30, tan A minus B formula, or this can also be written as sin 15 degrees divided by cos of 15 degrees. What is sin 15? Root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2 divided by cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 root 2 gets cancelled, root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Now rationalizing the denominator. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. For this, just multiply and divide by root 3 minus 1 and root 3 minus 1. Rationalizing the denominator. So this can also be written as root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 is root 3 minus 1 whole square is a square plus b square minus 2 root 3 divided by in the denominator a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Root 3 whole square is 3 minus 1. So this is also equal to 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. So here this can also be written as 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. You can take 2 common factor, 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. 2 gets cancelled. So therefore the simplified answer is 2 minus root 3. So tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. That's it. Come to the next problem. Sin 75, cos 75 and tan 75. Now let us come to the first one. Sin of 75. 75 can be written as 45 plus 30. So this is sin 45 plus 30. Now this is of the form sin A plus B. What is sin A plus B? Sin A cos B, sin A cos B plus cos A cos 45, cos A, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Substitute the values, that's it. What is sin 45? 1 by root 2. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. Plus, what is cos 45? 1 by root 2. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. Simplify this, root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Take LCM, 2 root 2 is LCM, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 gets cancelled, root 3 plus 1. So therefore, what do you say? Sin of 75 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now come to the second part, cos 75. Cos 75 can be written as same cos of 45 plus 30. This is of the form cos A plus B. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So what is cos 45? 1 by root 2. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. What is sin 45? 1 by root 2. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. This is equal to take LCM. 2 root 2 is the LCM. Root 3 minus 1. What do you say? Therefore, cos of 75 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. This is the second one. Now come to the third one. What is the third one? Tan 75. Tan 75 can be written as sin 75 by cos 75 degrees. 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by what is cos 75? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. These two gets cancelled. Therefore, tan of 75 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now let us come to the next problem. Now find the value of tan 13 pi by 12. 13 pi by 12 can also be written as pi plus pi by 12. See, to take LCM, 12 is LCM, 12 into pi plus pi, that is nothing but 13 pi by 12. Now substitute here, this given equation can be written as, given equation is tan 13 pi by 12 is equal to tan of pi plus pi by 12. Okay, so here we have to simplify this, since there is one relation, tan of 180 plus theta is equal to tan theta, because in third quadrant tan and cot are positive and there is no co-rule. So same trigonometrical will remains here. So tan 180 plus theta is tan theta. So this can be written as tan of pi by 12. Now simplify this pi by 12. That's it. Pi by 12 means, what is the value of pi by 12? Pi by 12 means 180 divided by 12. So divide it. 12 ones are 12 and 60. 60 is there. 60, 12 5s are 60. That means 15 degrees. Okay. Tan of 15 degrees. So you know what is tan 15? 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, or this is also equal to 2 minus root 3. That's it. This is the simplified answer. That's it. Just substitute the value of tan 15 degrees. That's it. Now let us come to the next problem. Now prove that sin x plus y by sin x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. Just convert all the terms in terms of tan. That's it. Now let us take LHS. What is LHS? Sin of x plus y divided by sin of x minus y. What is sin a plus b? Sin a plus b is equal to sin x cos y plus sin a cos b plus cos a sin b cos x sin y divided by, in the denominator, sin x minus y. Sin x minus y is sin a cos b minus cos x into sin y. Now let us divide both numerator and term by term in both numerator and denominator by, so cos x cos y, term by term division. So what happens? This is equal to, see here, sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y plus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y divided by denominator sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y divided by cos x cos y. Cancel the terms. One cos y gets cancelled. Cos x and cos x gets cancelled. Here cos y and cos y gets cancelled. And cos x gets cancelled. What is left over? Sin by cos is tan x plus sin by cos is tan y divided by sin x by cos x is tan x minus sin by cos is tan y. So this is the required answer. Tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y, which is a required RHS. That's it. Divide each and every term in the numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. That will reduce us to tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus tan y. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. So what is the problem? Show that tan 3x into tan 2x, tan x is equal to tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Now here this is very simple. Now consider tan 3x. Now tan 3x can also be written as tan of 2x plus x. Now this is tan a plus b formula. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is tan 3x. Just substitute the formula tan 2x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan x. Just cross multiply it, that's all. If we cross multiply, what we will get? Tan 3x into 1 minus tan 2x into tan x is equal to, in the numerator, tan 2x plus tan x plus it is. Now just multiply by tan 3x. Tan 3x into 1 is tan 3x minus tan 3x tan 2x into tan x is equal to, this is as it is, tan 2x plus tan x. Now transfer this to the left hand side. So this is tan 3x and this becomes minus tan 2x and minus tan x is equal to, transfer this minus becomes plus, plus tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x, which is the required answer. See here, tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x is equal to tan 3x into tan 2x into tan x. That is the required answer. Let us come to the next problem. Prove that cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 cos x. This is very simple problem and very important. Now let us take LHS. LHS is cos of pi by 4 plus x plus cos of pi by 4 minus x. Very simple. Straight away substitute the formula for this. We know what is cos a plus b. Since cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, right, sin a sin b. So this is cos a cos pi by 4 cos a cos b minus sin a sin pi by 4 into sin x, plus similarly cos a minus b is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now if you want, you can cancel here itself, or so what is cos 45? 1 by root 2 into cos x. What is sin pi by 4? Sin pi by 4 is 1 by root into sin x, 1 by root 2 into sin x, plus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into cos x, plus sin 45 is 1 by root 2 into sin x. Now cancel the term. See, minus 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 sin x gets cancelled. And what is left over? 1 by root 2 cos x plus 1 by root 2 cos. That is nothing but 2 times 1 by root 2 cos x. Now this 2 can also be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 into 1 over root 2 cos x. 1 root 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to root 2 into cos x. That is the RHS. That's it. Very simple problem. See, root 2 cos. Substitute the standard formula. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b minus 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 sin x gets cancelled. 1 by root 2 cos x plus 1 by root 2 cos x. There are 2 1 by root 2 cos x. 2 times 1 by root 2 cos x. This 2 can also be written as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 gets cancelled. We will get 1 root 2 into cos x. That's it. Very simple. Okay. That's all regarding today's session. Hope you followed all the problems. Just practice it. Let us meet with the different type of problems in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.